I'm Minister Netta Price, and I'm president of Christ the Restorer Ministry. I just want to thank all of our awesome donors who have contributed so much to Christ the Restorer Ministry. We could not have done what we do without you. We were able to just take several people off the street and give them permanent homes. We were able to help numerous people to keep a shelter over their heads. It's just phenomenal how we're touching lives. Our mission is to restore and enhance the lives of homeless individuals and families. And I thank God He's using us mightily. This is our CEO, Elder Duvall, a gentleman that is passionate about helping people and bring just so many gifts and talents and credibility to all that we do. I'll let you hear from Elder Duvall at this time.
Thank you, Minister Price. Once again, my name is Elder Duvall, CEO of Christ Restore Ministry. This ministry has been such a blessing, not only to those who we bless, but it blesses me to know that we're helping people beyond just giving them fish, but teaching them how to fish. We disciple young men and women on how to sustain themselves. So it's just a blessing. We want to thank you guys for contributing to just a small band of believers that believe that we can make a difference in this world. We have to my left here Dr. Ann, who provides medical attention if there is need for medical attention. We also have Sister Ann, who provides psychological or just sit and talk and counsel. We have a great staff of people who love the Lord and also who are called to help those who are in need.
Yes, indeed. And I'd like to introduce you to our young man on my right, Richard Tucker. He's just an awesome young man that brings a lot of skill to the ministry as well. He's also aspiring to have his own homeless ministry. And so we thank God to be able to mentor him. Richard, you want to share with our viewers, our donors?
For the past year, we've been doing a lot of things, and it's been a pleasure to be a part of this team. We're definitely doing many things in the neighborhood to help a lot of people, and we can't do it without you all, our donors, helping us to keep our funds going so we can continue to come up with more programs and more things to do to outreach to the people who really need us. We have many, many members in the ministry at the moment, and this is another one of ours, Miss Yolanda, and she just wants to speak a few words about herself.
Thank you, Richard. My name is Yolanda Tyson Moon, and I'm part of Christ the Restorers Ministry because we do more than just feed the homeless. Don't get me wrong, we need to feed the homeless. That is a start. Many ministries do that. But then we're taking it a step further. We want to get them off those streets and get them into permanent shelter. If they need schooling, we want to help with that. Any need that they have, we want to help meet it. And the only way we can do that is through people like you. So thank you so much for your donations. God bless you.
Like you see, we touch or affect the entire person. We're about restoration, restoring the whole person. So we do the food, the clothing, and shelter, and spiritual guidance, medical help. It's just amazing how God is raising us up to impact so many lives. Thank you so much. Keep the donation coming in. We can't do what we do without you. God bless you.
Thank you.
Yes,
Thank you.